Welcome to the English Conversation Club. Nice to see you today.
Welcome to the English Conversation Club. Today we are going to do two things. First, we will talk about how to master TOEIC Section One. Then, I will show you how to use Instagram, social media and in fact, the whole world around you to help improve your TOEIC score and build your vocabulary in a simple yet powerful way. Not that long ago, TOEIC Section 1 contained 20 questions, but now it is only 6 questions. When you take the test, you will look at a picture and hear 4 sentences. You must choose the best answer. You will see 2 kinds of pictures. The most common type of picture is of people. The second type of picture will be of things or natural scenes. Historically, TOEIC Section 1 had about 70% pictures of people and about 30% pictures of things. On tests nowadays, you can probably expect 4 pictures of people and 2 of things. Remember that when taking the test, we want to look at the picture and quickly imagine or predict possible answers. Let's look at a picture of some people. You should look at the picture and quickly brainstorm some possible answers. You are going to make 2 kinds of sentences. The first kind of answer that you will imagine should be in the present progressive tense. It should answer the question, what are they doing? Most correct answers use the present progressive tense, so you should always make your predictions in that form. Looking at this picture, we might imagine some answers such as: the people are talking. They are meeting. They are discussing. The colleagues are working. Notice that in our 4 example sentences, there are 3 ways that the people are referred to: they, the people, the colleagues. Colleagues is a synonym for co-workers. Advanced vocabulary such as this will be one of the main differences between lower-level questions and upper-level questions. Fortunately, in TOEIC Section 1, we can often ignore much of the vocabulary. If we only have the correct verb or action word, we can often answer these questions correctly. The second kind of sentence that you should imagine will answer the questions, where are they, or where is it? They are in the office. They are in the conference room. They are sitting at the table. The documents are on the table. When we see a picture of people, the correct answer will usually describe what the people are doing, but sometimes the answer will describe the location of the people or something in the picture. The second kind of picture that we will see in TOEIC Section 1 is a picture of things or possibly a nature scene. For these pictures, the answer is usually describing the location of something in the picture. Let's look at an example picture. We see many tables and chairs in an otherwise empty room. This is an elementary level question, and the correct answer is, as you have probably already predicted, the chairs are on the tables. Let's look at another example. In this picture we see many things. The 2 most common things are cars and trees. What is the same about all of the things? We might imagine sentences such as: the cars are parked in the street. The cars are parked next to the curb. There are many trees along the street. Trees are lining the street. Let's talk about 4 more important points. The first topic is homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same, for example to and to. Homophones are very common in TOEIC Sections 2 and 3, but you will find some in TOEIC Section 1 also. Be careful, homophone answers are tricky, common, and always wrong. Here is another point that we need to consider when we are imagining or predicting our answers. If you see a picture of 1 or 2 people, the answer will almost always be describing their actions. If you see a picture of many people, the answer will often be describing location. Looking at this picture, it might be difficult to choose one verb that describes all the people. The answer to this question will probably be something like, the drinks are on the counter. Thirdly, be careful of adjectives. Are they all happy or sad or excited? As it is almost impossible for us to know, correct TOEIC Section 1 answers will rarely have an adjective. If you don't know the correct answer and must choose between two choices, the answer with the adjective will usually be the one that you should discard. And finally, just as homophones are very dangerous in the TOEIC listening section, synonyms are your friend. The difference between a TOEIC 400 question and a Level 600 question is often simply using a more advanced piece of vocabulary to describe the picture. The people are talking is a sentence that most TOEIC 400 level test takers would recognize. The people are conversing has the same meaning but will be difficult for elementary test takers. If you want to study synonyms, get a thesaurus. Our last topic for today is to think about how to use our TOEIC Section 1 skills to improve our vocabulary and TOEIC scores. The TOEIC test is a test of business English and focuses on things that we do in our daily business lives. We travel, eat, have meetings, buy, and sell things, and so on. There are more than 1 million words in the English language, but even the average native speaker of English with a university degree only has a vocabulary of about 50,000 words. In their everyday lives, they only use about 3,000 to 6,000 words. The key to vocabulary building is to learn the most important words. The things that are around us every day on the street, in restaurants, in offices and schools. These are the foundation of a powerful and useful vocabulary. This technique is what I call the Instagram challenge. Take 5 minutes every day and look at 1 or 2 pictures on Instagram. Do 3 things. 1. Make sure that you know all the nouns. In this picture, we can see a bus, a street, a crosswalk, street lamps and so on. Make a list of every noun that you see. 2. Make sentences. What is happening? For example, the people are walking. The bus is approaching the crosswalk. The signs are hanging in front of the shops. And finally, 3. Where are the things? The street lamps are lined up along the street. The people are on the sidewalk. The planters are near the curb. Let's review the Instagram challenge. 1. Look at the pictures and predict. 2. Pictures of people. What are they doing? 3. Pictures of things. Where are they? 4. Take 5 minutes every day to do the Instagram challenge. Focus on nouns, verbs, and location. Congratulations! You are on your way to mastering TOEIC Section 1 and building a strong and useful vocabulary. The English Conversation Club will continue making TOEIC strategy videos so that you can master all 7 sections. Thanks for watching, good luck with your studies and hope to see you soon.